Can you turn just $1 into 100 using crypto? Sounds impossible, right? But today we're testing it with a new crypto trading app called Delta Exchange. Let's see if this high leverage platform can help us flip just a single dollar into something big. Delta Exchange is a rising crypto trading platform that offers futures, options, and margin trading with up to 100x leverage. That means your $1 trade can control up to $100 in the market. High risk? Yes. High reward? Also yes, but only if you know what you're doing. I deposited just $1, picked a high-volume crypto pair, and used 50 times leverage. My plan? Take small wins, avoid big losses, and keep compounding every trade. Slowly, yes, but smartly. After a few careful trades, wins and losses, I managed to grow that dollar into X dollars in just X days. Was it easy? Number. Was it fun? Absolutely. Delta Exchange is fast, clean, and powerful, but not for complete beginners. Leverage is a tool, not a magic wand. Use it wisely. Always start small. Always protect your capital. So, can you turn $1 into $100? Maybe, but it takes skill, patience, and guts. Want to try? Use the link in the description and start your journey. And if you love content like this, hit that subscribe button. More trading experiments coming soon. This is Dharmesh 21X, helping you grow smarter, trade better, and earn more. See you in the next one.